Today I'm Mom and welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. In today's video, I'm going to make some small, quick, easy DIYs and decorate a space in my home in tropical vibes. Today I'm participating in a challenge being hosted by Shule from MyStyleMyColours and Florisa from Home Body and Florisa. Both Shule and Florisa have challenged us to decorate a space, DIY and decorate a space in tropical vibes. So let's have that vibrancy, the colors, the lush feel of tropical vibes and a little glam touch, the warmth and the glow of tropical vibes in today's video. If you're new to my channel, I like to do a lot of DIYs. I like to do trash to treasure and high-end tubes. Everything that is related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit that little notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. And all my old friends, a big hi! I'm starting today's DIY using a shiny green cardstock paper, fold it into half and then cut a triangle out of it. I have a symmetrical triangle which has a very broad base. Now I'm going to fold it like an accordion. So now I have it like this. Now I'm going to fold it like this. Now here at this point, I'm going to use the strips of cardstock paper, golden cardstock paper, put together so that's nice and firm, and go in between this and like this, and then fold it. Bring these two ends together, the broad long ends together, and here I'll glue the two ends together so that it sticks here. So it becomes a golden leaf, it becomes a green leaf, tropical green leaf with golden stem. So one can either glue these things together or even staple it for basically strength. Now here I have used stapler pins because these are strong cardstock paper, so it can hold very well, and at the back also, in this paper also, I've added these pins. Now this looks like a beautiful sculpture of tropical leaf ready to decorate. First I want to share with you how I have made the preparation for tropical vibes. I decided to go with the colors of different shades of green, light and dark greens, and I want to use the different warm glow of gold and copper. So all these with some natural elements which again have that warm glow. So this is going to be my color scheme. Let me show how I have arranged my things. Here is a bamboo vase, and next to it is my DIY lamp. The base color is in warm colors and it goes so well with the warm golden colors. Another DIY vase, and here it stands over my beautiful golden leaf tray. I have placed a stack of boxes here, starting with the gold, wood and malachite green, and on top is my Buddha statue, Buddha figurine. And I love this stack of boxes topped by the Buddha head. It's beautiful. Here is my DIY votive candle holder from my recent DIY, and I have placed this little piece of, I think it's called a frog's nail, I don't know the name properly, but it is used to hold cut flowers. At the back I have placed as a backdrop a shining copper plate on a stand, and here is a clear crystal vase in which I will bring some tropical leaves. The reason for this arrangement is the different height that I can make here with the flowers in this bamboo vase, and goes up to the lamp and then gradually goes down with the Buddha head and the plate down, and next it comes, another height will come with the vase. So I've created triangles here which I think will look really nice. On the cushions here I have draped it with dark green, teal green rather, stone. I have used it as a cover for this sitting area. I've placed my cushions which are in green and deep ochre color, again in the golden hue. And here on my gold and mirror tray, another DIY from the recent past, I have my golden petaled lotus votive candle holder, on which I have placed this battery operated candle, and again my Glam pillar candle here. Here is the zauri. A zauri, this is called a zauri, it's a traditional utensil and it is used to hold items you give to guests for offering or for decoration in special occasions. And here are the two tropical leaves in green and gold that I recently DIY'd. I'll use them also in the decor.